Hello there, it's Derek again and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max right here. So you can check out. And that is basically very cool. So it's been some months since this phone was released, but we are now getting our hands on it on this channel. And yeah, I want to make my team or my family just see this phone and how they look like in case maybe you have not yet seen it. Yeah, that's it. So we're first going to take off the box, and then literally this is how the body looks like. So we have the color to be graphite right here. It's 128 gigabytes, and then the screen. Yeah, that's it. That's how it looks like. I'm gonna turn it on and see how this looks like. Yeah, so literally what we have in the box is the manual and SIM remover kit, and then also some stickers we have right here like usual. And then we have the charger in here, type C to normal iPhone charger. You can see right here it's the type C. We have the type C. Oh, let me take it off. Type C to the normal iPhone charger right here. Actually, that's all we have in right here, and that's it. Hello, type up English. Right, so I'm gonna set up the phone and actually do some comparisons for you guys so that you're gonna be able to just see it. And yeah, so if you like it, just give it a thumbs up. In case you like the phone, it's a slick phone actually, so give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I have a lot I'm going to be sharing with you. And you can check out this video right here in case you missed the Google Pixel 6, and that's going to be very helpful for you. Peace.